Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how Spring Boot application runs without installing a server like Tomcat separately? Like no download, no setup, nothing. And your app runs on 8080 port. So let's break it down. So what normally happens? In traditional Java web applications, you had to install a server like Tomcat or like JBoss for that matter manually and then build a war file and deploy it on that server. So you have a war file, you have this installed, like literally installed on your machine, and then deploy this war file manually on that server. That sounds painful, right? But what we had gone through this. Now the Spring Boot comes and it completely changes the game. Spring Boot comes with something called Embedded Tomcat server. So what that means, Tomcat is already included inside your application. So you have whenever you run the application, Spring Boot auto configure everything and it starts on embedded Tomcat instance and in on port 8080. So whenever you create run the new application, the Tomcat is embedded in that application. You don't have to mention it separately and your application starts on that server. So whenever you create your jar file, your jar file has your application code plus Tomcat. You just run the application and Tomcat is there. It serves you. Like, let me show you here. Here in this application, anywhere I haven't mentioned Tomcat. So if you can see, I haven't given any dependency of Tomcat and I haven't installed it either on my server. So what it does is from these dependencies, it downloads from Spring Boot Starter Web. It downloads the Tomcat dependency. If you want to check, you can check it. This external dependencies, Tomcat dependency, and its compatible version is already downloaded, and that's why you have Tomcat server embedded into it. If you want to exclude this Tomcat server, there is a way. Like if you want Jetty or other server, you can exclude the Tomcat and you can include a different server in dependencies, and your application would be able to run on that server. So yes, why this is powerful? You don't need any setup. The deployment is faster. Like you don't have to create a war file and then go and deploy that war file on some server. And this is perfect for microservices. Easy to deploy anywhere. Like you just have a jar file and you deploy that jar file or you start that. So if you can see here in generated, so whenever you build it, let me build it. Build is successful and should have jar file now. See, you have jar file and everything is included in that jar file. So yes, it's very easy